So this really wasn't a feud until they decided to make it a feud. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to establish something over here. So this vehicle right here, right? I mean, they have a right to park on the street, but we're going to explain something. So what it is that this area right here is a public alleyway. So it meets from the street here, and there's a street down there. And actually, we'll take a drive around here because I'm going to show you what type of retaliation this place over here and that unit's doing, because they were asked to basically clear out the alleyway. Okay? So instead of parking in front of his home, we're going to take a little trip over here, and then we're going to post it to YouTube. So this vehicle right here, this red one that's parked right in front of the house, okay, as you can see in here, hold on, I think it's still filming. Yeah, there we go. So this red vehicle decides that he's going to retaliate against me because they were asked to, you know, not block a public alleyway. So I'm going to show you where his actual home is as we drive. So this is my place here. We've established the place here, you know. And so that's right in front of where I walk up to my thing. So he decides that he's going to retaliate. And let me show you where he lives. So let's show you where his residence is in comparison to where he's parked. Because the lots are pretty big over here. That's the daughter. So this is their unit over here. So it's a big lot. Not this one, but over here. I'm just going to show you, though, what type of people you deal with when you have this elite white supremacy over here. So literally, their place is right over here. That's their address right there, okay? And so they decide that, and they have all this parking, including their driveway there. But instead, they're going to come all the way over here, right? And then they're going to move they could park all over in these areas over here. But instead, he decides that he wants to retaliate against me. So he's going to come all the way over here and park right here in front of my place. So let me repeat that. Let's do that again, okay? So again, like I'm saying, it's not that you can't park anywhere, but why would you park there unless you're retaliating against the person that asked you to move out of a public alleyway? So let's do this again.